We got Todd here too?
Yeah. We all get away from
What
Eugene.
did you discover, young man?
So this is
Derek.
Derek. This is Derek's Jungle Lord.
Hi.
What year is Jungle Lord?
1981.
It's a split. To my personal opinion, it's the best split level Williams they made. Okay, I know everybody likes Black Knight. I'm on record. I think this is so fun. Anyways, when I first observed what was going on here, Derek said this thing was freaking out. Lights and sounds and coils. This board, which is a great board, it's not the original obviously, was mounted in the wrong holes. This bar was touching the back of this board. It's a miracle.
Just like we showed on the wide body over here.
Right. It's a miracle it did not short the board. So I put the board in the right spot. Also realizing that this was original. We're talking original orange spray cap here. You know, by definition, that orange spray cap was bad. Even though it probably did have 5 volts, it probably had some ripple.
Right.
Put a new cap in it, new header here, new coil header here, new caps here, bore here, comes right out.
Okay, now there's one
other problem it
major
still has.
problem.
It's got
The
a
GI.
burnt fuse clip.
That's right.
If I press on the fuse clip, I'm not even going to try to solder on it. It's so burnt it won't even stick. You
Okay,
can
so
see
what-
someone
all right.
tried to solder on it, but it's
Now
not
what
sticking.
needs to be done, let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
You need to take the fuse clip out and throw it away.
Yes, I'm
You
going
need
to
to
do
put
that.
a heavy yellow wire jumper to it. Then, wait a minute. I'm
Okay.
not finished. I'm not finished. Then, okay, step away just for
Yes,
a
sir.
second.
I am stepping away.
Get out of the way, Eugene.
You unplug this, okay?
Yes.
Like so. And then you take 4 of these wires here
Yes.
and you connect them to a fuse block, and the other half, you can have it floating.
Oh, like a System 9.
Right.
Oh,
you
I
can
see what
put
you're saying.
4 fuses right here
Yes.
in the fuse block.
I've done that. I know what you mean.
And plug it back in. And then you can completely eliminate all the high voltage going through the
Right.
fuse. Even though it's now a lot less because you guys switched it to
Triferricon pins.
triuric, yes. So you did switch it, and it could hold up, but that's a permanent fix.
Yes. Do you know what Triferricon, why it's called Triferricon?
There's 3 legs, 3 fingers.
3 prongs on a Triferricon pin. So it grabs from 3 sides. The originals grab from 1 side.
Now, are you aware of this?
Oh boy, here we go.
On all the new boards, this board probably has it.
Yeah.
All the Molex pins are square.
Yes, yes.
Where
New
the
board has-
old pins are round.
Well, that's why I put a new header here because of the coil power connector.
Right here.
Yep.
That's right. See, these are new headers.
Yep.
So the square pin means the Triuricon gets a quality connection.
Quality connection. Yes, Todd. Thank you.
Spelled with a Q.
Q. Quality. Quality.
So, are you going to put the fuse block in for him? Or are you
I don't know if I
just
have a
gonna-
fuse block. I'm going to get the
You
fuse
need-
clip I
But he
brought.
should do that.
Yes, I brought fuse clips because of the Daddy East.
And
but,
by the way, the fuse block also does one more thing.
yes, it does.
It breaks the
divides
thing
it.
down to 4 areas. So if one
4
fuse keeps
strings,
blowing,
like a WPC.
Right.
4 strings, so
4
it's
separate
less.
strings.
So it's less current on one section.
Now it's costly to do this.
Oh,
the
so
fuse
costly.
block is $5,
So,
and the fuses are 50 cents.
oh, that was a labor.
And then the solder.
Oh my gosh, solder's $40 a roll, Todd.
Another ingenious repair.
Eugenius repair.
But there's more to come, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, we got some more over
Yeah,
here.
Dolly's fixed. We got we're gonna do an NV RAM on F14. That's fixed now. Brian fixed the.
Wait a minute. Why don't we look and see if that Tomcat right in front of all of you got the factory mod. The factory installed it in every Tomcat, but the factory forgot to bend it. And every Tomcat I've ever looked at, here, come on over.